You're busy, emails, bills, work, groceries. It never ends. But what if I told you AI can do most of that for you? Not just ChatGPT. Real tools, smart tools, life-changing tools. Today, I'll show you 10 genius ways to use AI to automate your life. And yeah, you're probably doing it wrong. Most people use AI to write emails or answer simple questions. That's okay, but you're missing out. AI can do way more. Let's fix that. 1. Auto-plan your week. Use tools like Motion or Reclaim.ai. Just add your tasks. AI fills your calendar. It blocks time for meetings, deep work, even breaks. If things change, it adjusts. You stay focused without thinking. 2. Grocery and meal planning. Use apps like Whisk or Chef.ai. Tell it what's in your fridge. It gives you recipes. Then makes your shopping list. Some apps even order the food for you. No more standing in aisles wondering what to buy. 3. Smart email assistant. Inbox out of control? Try Shortwave, Missive, or Superhuman AI. They sort your emails, summarize threads, suggest replies. You spend less time writing and more time doing. 4. Summarize PDFs and videos. Got a long PDF or video? Don't read or watch it all. Use Humata, Otter.ai, or ChatGPT with plugins. Upload the file. Ask questions. Get the summary in seconds. 5th, AI fitness coach. Want to get fit? Apps like Fitbod or Lumen help. They give you workouts and meal plans. They adjust based on your goals. It's like having a coach without paying hundreds a month. 6. Budget and bills. Use Copilot, Clio, or Rocket Money. These apps track your spending, find your subscriptions, alert you when you overspend. It's like a money-saving buddy in your pocket. 7th, AI to-do lists. Notion AI or ClickUp AI don't just make lists, they think. Type, launch a website. They break it into steps, schedule it, remind you. It's like your brain, organized. 8. Research assistant. Stop Googling everything. Use Perplexity AI, Consensus, or ChatGPT. They scan the web, pull trusted sources, give you short answers with links. No more falling into 2-hour Google holes. 9. Voice notes to tasks. Say your thoughts out loud. Apps like Otter.ai or AudioPen turn voice into notes, then into tasks. Just speak. The AI does the writing and planning. 10. Content creation. Want to post on social media? Use AI. ChatGPT writes the captions. Midjourney or Canva makes the visuals. OpusClip turns long videos into short ones. It's like having a full content team with zero stress. These AI tools can change your life. Try one. Then add more. Like this video? Hit the like button, subscribe, and tell me which tool you're trying first.